Hello, so I will be demoing how to use the virtual roll call web application as a supervisor. Okay, so first off, here's the URL. So this shows where the web application is currently hosted and FIU server. So if you follow that URL, you'll be redirected to the login page of the system. So in order to log in as a supervisor, you have to be given supervisor credentials in the system. So I'll be logging in as a user with the supervisor role. So when you log in, you will be redirected to the Manage Documents page. So a supervisor has the ability to upload documents to the system, which should be viewed by officers. Okay, and also you see here that supervisors can reset the passwords of users in the system who forget them, but I'll be going over that shortly. I will start with the Manage Documents, which is the dashboard for the supervisor. Okay, so pretty much you see a document. So you click here and you're able to choose the document to upload in the system. So let's imagine that we're going to open an image, the badge. So here's the file I uploaded, badge.gif. So pretty much you can name, so a supervisor is able to add metadata about every document. So I could put, for example, the badge image, and the category, I could say, I can choose the category to sort this image under. So for example, it could be officer safety, archives. So let's say it's a written directive, for example. Now, you see there's a pen document. So pen documents pretty much says that this document is urgent, that an officer should view it as soon as possible. Otherwise, you don't have to view it at all. So let's say that we don't pen it. This badge isn't really important. Just want you to look at the badge. So you can upload to the system. Okay, so that's uploaded. So we have to refresh the page to actually see the change in the system. So if I pick the badge image, well, there it is right there. We can see that it was the name. We can see the category I selected. We can see the upload date and pin. So 0 means I did not pin it, which you notice, which is the checkbox. 1 would mean I did pin the document. So here, similar to the administrator page, there's an edit documents. So you can see all the documents that were uploaded to the system. You can see who uploaded them, when they were uploaded to the system, and are they pinned, and the name of the document, and as well as the categories. So let's go down to reset password. So unlike other systems, only the supervisor is able to reset a password if a user forgets their password. The reason why is there's always at least one supervisor on duty in police departments, so they will be able to instantly reset passwords for security. So let's say we have this user. So if you select the video button, they'll be highlighted to see who's getting changed. So let's set the new password. So let's say that the password has to be at least 8 characters. So if it's not, then there'll be an error. So let's say we set it. And if they're not the same, you'll get a confirmation saying, oh, the new passwords don't match. So be careful to make sure that the password that you enter is the same. If so, you'll get officer password was successfully updated. So then the supervisor would then tell their officer the password's changed. You can change that. You're also able to search for users to filter to make things easier. So that's the supervisor's role. And also every user in the system is able to change their password. So they click on their name in the right corner, upper corner, and they can change their password, their new password, and current password. All right, so that's how to use a supervisor, primarily for uploading documents and the metadata about the document uploaded. So hope you found this very easy to use and have fun playing, just trying out how to use a supervisor.